My name is RJ Tushong. I am the plant manager for Baldwin Richardson Foods Williamson facility. We were founded in 1997. Our headquarters are in Macedon, New York. Baldwin Richardson Foods is a custom ingredient manufacturer. We supply sauces, syrups, toppings, and fillings to the top quick service restaurants, customer packaged goods, brands, and food service companies. We've got 4 plants currently, 2 of which are fully on Sepasoft software. We started early 2024 and have been continuing the journey since then, implementing throughout the other facilities.
My name's Alan Watts. I am the Smart Manufacturing Manager here at Baldwin Richardson Foods. I've been with the company for just over 2 years now. So prior to my joining the company, we had tried several different MES platforms, none of which were really a good fit for Baldwin. They really weren't scalable in the way that we needed them to be, and they didn't have the capability for us to build out the customizations that we needed to support us as a manufacturer.
Hi, I'm Grayson Blanchard, production manager here at the Williamson facility for Baldwin Richardson Foods. I've been with the company for 11 years. Some of the challenges that we faced were a lack of employee engagement due to needing to bounce around between softwares. It led to operators misunderstanding how to truly diagnose the problem. It left them doing more busy work on the tablet and not truly driving for root cause. Moving to Sepasoft has helped the operators stay on one software, quickly downtime coding, and using that information to drive the decisions on the floor.
Sepasoft and Ignition were chosen over other providers primarily because they offer an open platform that is really easy for us to expand. You can scale it from one line or one facility to an entire enterprise spread across the country. You know, the other big influencers were their ability to connect to outside data sources, as well as our ability to tie into machine learning and AI as a future direction for the platform. We initially rolled the platform out to our Williamson facility. There was already architecture in place for collecting machine states as well as counts, which really helped speed the deployment in this facility and prove out the value of the platform.
One piece of advice I would provide for implementing OEE would be to map out and understand your downtime events back to your faults. Truly understanding your downtime coding up front will allow for a quicker implementation.
We've been able to roll that into 3 facilities using all of the same work that was done for the Williamson site. This has really allowed us to scale it out quickly and have a consistent face to the platform across multiple sites. We've also recently rolled out an enterprise server which aggregates data from all of our sites and allows our executive leadership to monitor the facilities from one central location and do all reporting from that location.
Here at Baldwin Richardson Foods, the operators are truly the owners of their assets. Training was very easy from this standpoint. They were juggling several different softwares to get the information they needed. They were very eager to learn how this new software worked, and it was pretty seamless. I think the most significant improvements that have been made since moving to the software have been in the lives of the operators. The engagement we are seeing from them has been a complete culture change and is really driven by the fact that we're reducing the busy work and allowing them to understand their machines and drive for root cause.
Another key benefit that we've seen since adopting the platform has been in calculating our OEE and efficiency at an asset level. Whereas prior we had only captured it on the line, we're now able to see where certain assets aren't performing as they should and better able to make capital decisions for where to bring in improved assets.
Some of the most significant improvements we've seen since implementing the OEE module is that we are tied directly back to the PLCs, so we are getting good information up front. We are also seeing that our operators are highly engaged due to the interface of the system It has integrated everything in so that we no longer have multiple formats they have to reference and go through.
By leveraging Ignition and Sepasoft and having one shared MES and SCADA platform, we're able to better leverage work that our engineers are doing on the SCADA front into the MES side. That's both led to improved visibility of data as well as reduced work for creating visuals for our operators to understand how our operations are running.